Hi, this is Lee Locklear, CEO of SP Tools USA. Our mission statement is manufactured for the professional. And in keeping with that, today our undercar product manager, Jacob, is going to walk us through the importance of having ALI certified lifts in your shop. There's no substitute for ALI certified equipment in a professional automotive shop. Jacob, take it away.
What's up, guys? We're back here in the Cutting Edge Garage. Today we're going to go over some basic lift operation. This C7 Corvette doesn't actually need any work, but I'm going to show you guys how to use the lift properly, how to do it safely.
And especially if you're a shop owner, you really shouldn't be buying any lifts that aren't ALI certified. And all that means it's been independently tested from everything from the hydraulics to the electronics. And all these lifts had to be tested 50% beyond their capacity. So that means this 10,000 pound two-post lift was independently tested up to 15,000 pounds. So when you're working with stuff like this and your life literally depends on it, having that ALI certification really means a lot, especially if you're a shop owner and you're trusting your guys' lives to this equipment.
For more information, please check us out on the web, sptoolsusa.com, or give us a call at 855-839-2626. One of our consultants will be glad to go over the benefits of ALI certified lifts, and more importantly, which lift best suits your needs in your shop. Thanks for joining us.